Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I make my chicken foot soup. Yes, all right, let's do this. So this is about 1 pound of chicken foot. I just bought a small pack. I'm washing it with some lemon. So give it a good wash. Water is boiling and now we add our chicken foot to the boiling water. And I'm gonna let it boil for about 30 minutes before I add the food to it. So I'm adding some garlic and pimento seed to cook with the chicken foot, all right? Now we cover the pot and let it boil. Okay, so these are the other ingredients that I'll be using to make my chicken foot soup. This is after about 15 minutes. So while the chicken foot is cooking, I go and peel the food to put in the pot. I was so surprised to see chicken foot when I went to the grocery store. I didn't even know you could get chicken foot to buy a foreign. However, when I saw it, I'm like, I gotta get a pack. It just brought back memories of home when Mama used to cook that good rich chicken foot soup. And then, after me start cooking chicken foot soup. Yeah, so I'm like, I gotta have some. So I just grab a pack of chicken foot and buy some different food and things for go with it for make the chicken foot soup. And I had cock soup at home. So from Jamaica, so I'm like, yeah, ready for this. But I actually had to go to 3 different grocery stores to get these ingredients to make the chicken foot soup. Because, where me live, it's like finding these things is not as easy or accessible. I have to drive around to get my things then, but I get what I want. I get yellow yam, turnip, chocha, what they call mirliton. I get coco. But this is some dasheen, but them never look good. Dasheen them dry out, so I never get that. Carrot and corn, and I get my thing them. Make some dumpling, put in it and thing. And I had a few of the ingredients at home, especially like the seasoning them and thing to season up the pot. So get the thing going. As you know, we do it. Use what you have, turn your hand, make fashion. Yeah, make it work. All right. It was worth the time and the drive because all me I think about is how delicious, how amazing this soup is gonna be. How long me not drink some chicken foot soup. And I was excited to make this video because I know that it's gonna make some people go out and buy some chicken foot to make some chicken foot soup, right? Well, if you can't get chicken foot, you can use the chicken leg or the thigh to make your soup. That's what I use most of the time because at the first me as the chicken foot are foreign. So use what you have. I've used chicken foot, chicken leg, chicken thigh, chicken back, all of those to make chicken soup. And it's always amazing. Nice soup. It's the same thing. It's just a different part of the chicken you use, alright? So I just peel the food them and put them into some water so that they keep fresh and the colors look nice, pretty and bright. So the food done peel, cut up and ready to go into the pot. So now we add the food to the pot. The chicken foot has been cooking for about 30 minutes. So I'm just add everything to the pot. But I just realized that I have more food for the soup than I thought. So I'll have to transfer it to a bigger pot because this one is already full. Okay, there we go. This is better, bigger pot. Add in some carrots and corn. Give it a good stir and let the food cook. All right, pot a bubble, looking good. Give it a stir like every 10 minutes because we don't want any of this food to stick at the bottom of the pot. So I'm removing some of this pumpkin from the soup. I'm gonna mash it out and put it back into the pot. So this will help to thicken the soup and it also give it that rich, beautiful yellow color, pretty color. This is how I do the pumpkin. You just use a fork to crush it, put it back into the pot and stir it in. Okay, it's time to season up the pot. Getting the scallion ready. And we have some thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and we cook soup and other seasoning to put in. Give it a stir. Looking good. Now it's time to add the cock soup, the soup mix. And we stir it in. So now I had my scotch bonnet pepper to help make the soup even more flavorful, but I'm not gonna let it burst in it. Wow, this soup is smelling so good. I can hardly wait to have some. So I'm adding a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning to the pot and let it cook for about another 10 minutes and our soup will be ready. Right, time to turn off the stove. Soup is ready. It looks good and smell good. I'm so ready to put some of this soup into a big bowl and enjoy. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.